CRO is hot right now. It is trending everywhere, and also if you take a look at the charts, it is up about 150% in the last 30 days. Having said that though, how do you get in on the action? And well guys, I partnered up with Crypto.com to show you the 4 simple steps to buy CRO. So I would say let's strap in and let's find out. First things first though, what is this CRO token? And if you take a look here on this webpage, you can see that CRO is the native cryptocurrency of the Cronos chain. So CRO is used to fuel transactions, smart contracts, but also on-chain apps. Moreover, much like with Ethereum, CRO is used to stake on validator nodes. And these validators govern the Cronos chain, but also decide the future of Cronos with, for example, these proposals here. CRO holders are also rewarded for staking, and it can be done on-chain or with programs like Level Up on Crypto.com. And if you level up, you can get a debit or credit card that can give you up to 8% cash back on your spending, so definitely not too shabby. There are plenty of other fundamental reasons why you might want to invest into the CRO token, but too many to talk about in this video. So I highly recommend to check out other videos on my channel. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more as well. Anyways, before I show you how to buy CRO, do remember this is by no means any financial advice and just for information purposes only. Buying into CRO can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, but always guys, manage risk accordingly and do your own research. To buy CRO, you need to find a crypto platform to trade, and my personal platform of choice for crypto is Crypto.com. It was super easy to set up. They are regulated in most jurisdictions worldwide, so they're operating legally as well, and they have shown throughout the years that they do value security. And guys, for a platform that you trust with your money, that is really, really important. The easiest way to get started with Crypto.com is by downloading their app. You can either find it on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. But there's also a web version available if you do prefer that. In the description down below, you can, by the way, find some referral links so you can get some additional sign-up bonuses and you will support the channel. So use those for your own advantage. Once you create an account, you will also have to follow some steps to verify that account. That can, for example, be by taking a selfie to prove your identity, all in accordance with the rules and regulations. If everything is done and checked, you can now go to the Crypto.com homepage, and there you can find a big blue buy button. If you press that buy button, you can find all kind of cryptocurrencies, and there you can see in the For You page the CRO token. So Crypto.com does know what I like, but if you can't find it, you can also search for CRO or Cronos as well. By selecting Cronos, you will be sent to the next page. And there you can enter how much euro, dollar, or whatever currency you want to spend for CRO. You can also though switch it up and decide how much CRO you want, and it will give you an estimate of what it will eventually cost. Prices though in crypto are fluctuating 24/7, so you might see this amount go up or down. Below the amount, you can find a button called Pay With, and by default it will probably tell you Google or Apple Pay on your phone. But you can simply change it by tapping on that button, and you'll find a lot more options. For example, paying with your debit or credit card, with PayPal, but also with your bank, so with euros or dollars. And in my personal experience, this is the cheapest and fastest way. So you can easily go within seconds from your bank to Crypto.com. You'll have to set it up for the first time, but then I think it's a great option. But also if you want, you can use cryptos like Loaded Lion, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, or USDC. So take a look at which option you want. With the payment method now selected, you can review the order, and this will open up a confirmation screen where you can check everything once more. You only have 15 seconds because the market again is fluctuating constantly. But in my personal experience, it's better to check everything than to rush. So guys, just be very careful there. Once you confirm, that's it. You now got your first bit of CRO. You can start staking it, going on chain, or do whatever with it. It's that easy. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to learn more about CRO, you might want to check out this video here to the left of me as well.